Good evening, viewer. Welcome to our Glory Globe TV. Here's the breaking news. Yes, exactly 1000 years ago, this month, construction started on a magnificent Iceland building of the coast of France that, as it rose improbably from the choppy waters of the Atlantic Oceans, would become a lasting symbol of national fortitude. The medieval abbey atop Mount St. Michael, a cascade of walls and buttresses descending from a lofty central spire, was a spectacular creation which has played crucial roles in French history over the centuries. Today, as it makes a millennium since work began, it is one of the country's most popular tourist attractions outside of Paris. At times, overwhelmed by its own popularity to such a degree that its custodians have urged people to stay away. The abbey, which lies off the coast of France, Normandy region west of Paris, has pulled in legions of pilgrims over the centuries. Today, it attracts 1.3 million tourists each year. In the span of 1000 years, its silhouette has become an emblem of French and universalism. French President Emmanuel Macron wrote on Twitter on June 5 following an official visit to the site, "It's abbey, the symbol of what we are, a people of builders." To celebrate the abbey's birthday, the mount is hosting concerts, conferences and a visual show called the Millennium Solstice on June 23rd that will feature an unprecedented light show. Visitors can also enjoy an exhibition about its history and architecture until November 2023. Rising out of a bay flanked by the regions of Normandy and Brittany, surrounded by quicksand, the Gothic Mount St. Michael Abbey towers over its village and thick fortress wall. When the tide rolls in, the mount emerges out of the water like a French Atlantis, an architectural wonder set in a beautiful natural landscape. It became a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1979. A marriage of human genius and nature, President Macron commented in a speech celebrating the abbey's millennium. Nicknamed the wonder of the Western world, the mount's history goes back to the year 709, when a sanctuary in honor of Saint Michael the Archangel was erected on the rock. It became a sacred site which continued to evolve from the 11th to the 16th century. Behind the report, Glory Globe TV, Delhi, India.